Hey guys, welcome back to Andy's MG Adventures and welcome to Andy's work. Now today we're going to find out who has won the 500 subscriber competition. 13 of you entered, many thanks. Your cars are wonderful and I loved reading the backstory to how you got them and how many you've had. Some of you more than one. I had people from Canada, from California, from Texas, and from good old Blighty as well. So what I've done is I have put all of your names into a wheel of fortune. See it on my big screen? I haven't put your last names just in case some people get a bit funny. You know, it's the internet, people can find things, so, you know. Whoever the Wheel of Fortune selects will win the prize, and I'll talk about their car a little bit at the end. And if you guys like that kind of thing, maybe we could do a feature every now and again on subscribers' cars so we can learn a bit more about other people and not just Margot, because, you know, there are other midgets out there. But anyway, without further ado, are you ready? Here we go. I'm going to click. Where's my mouse? There it is. Everyone ready? Here we go. Slowing down. It's Pete N. Congratulations, Pete N. Let's have a look at your car. So I've just loaded up Pete N's entry email, and my God, what a fan of Spridget's he is. He's had 4 in total, including an orange one that he restored and rebuilt and was his daily driver from the end of the 70s into the 80s for a 40-mile each-way commute, only to be sold when he had kids. And I know he's a fan of the cars because he sent me a follow-up email saying how much his grandchildren love them. So congratulations, Pete. Love your current one as well, this red round wheel arch. Cracking-looking motor and a worthy winner. So congratulations, Pete. I'll drop you an email shortly and you can tell me which prize you would like. As for the rest of you lovely lot, there are more videos to come, so keep subscribing, and when we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll do an even more elaborate giveaway. But in the meantime, lots of love and cuddles. Take care for now.